Hey guys, welcome back to SM Locks. I'm Scott, and this evening we've got a wee bit of a different video. I put 4 picking videos out last week for the Fistful of Dimples set that I received from uklocksport.co.uk. We'll get more of them done later this week. Also got a challenge lock from Gav at uklocksport.co.uk as well, which I'll get to this week. Hopefully get them sent out at the end of this week or start of next week, fingers crossed. So this is a lock gutting service pocket kit that I've put together. Basically it's a small kit I can throw into a pack, I can throw into a camera bag or whatever if I'm going anywhere, and it's not taking up a massive amount of space. Obviously it's not got absolutely everything that you're going to need, but it's got the basics for repinning a lock that you're sitting picking, or if you're going anywhere and you're taking one lock with you, you can take it to pin it up differently or whatever. So this is just, I thought I'd show you guys what I've done. So pick case, just to show you, the pick case and the pinning kit can fit into this little pack. So everything's kept together. I mean, if I'm going anywhere I can throw it into a side pocket on a camera bag or stuff. It's compact. So let's get in it. The first is a multi-tool, and the biggest reason for the multi-tool is the pliers. Pliers are something that I go to quite often when I'm gutting locks for circlips. I hate circlips, but they're what they are. Also a diamond knife sharpener, and the reason for the diamond knife sharpener is it's got a tapered end, it's got a flat end, and it's got a round side. And it can do what a file can do with one little piece of kit rather than multiple files. As I said, this kit hasn't got everything you're going to need in it, but it's there just in case. They're only a couple of quid, so nothing major. Now the main kit is started off as a Sparrows Reload kit, and I went for it for a few reasons. A mixture of pins you get with it. I've just thrown in some other pins as well, nothing major, and the tin and the follower and the mats, the pinning mats, but you'll see anyway. So we'll get into the tin. So when you open the tin, first thing on top is tweezers. These are the tweezers I use in most of my gutting videos, well, the same type of tweezers. I bought a new set for this kit. Again, a couple of quid. And the reason I went for those fine tip tweezers is I can use them for everything. I can use them for American locks, I can use them for Euros, I can use them for rim cylinders. The tweezers that are specific for pins sometimes can be hard for picking up smaller diameter pins and stuff, so that's why I went with those. A Schlage follower that you get with it, nothing fancy, but it does 90% of the Euros and rim cylinders I'm going to be doing anyway. Then we've got a little homemade American lock follower and master lock follower. The reason it's homemade is it fits in there to one side and it still gives me room for the other stuff. This is spare pins, springs and stuff. So in here we've got master wafers for a multi-lock classic. Drivers, the drivers are just standard key pins, standard drivers. We've got serrated and spools in here. We've got some Sparrows check pins in there, and we've got a mixture of different springs, and then we've got the retaining pin for the Schlage rings on the back. I'm probably not going to use them, but the springs that come with them are the same diameter as a lot of the trap pins in the likes of the Avocet Pioneer Plus, so they're handy to have. Micro screwdriver, and then I've got all the bits in bags, flatheads, Phillips and Torx, and some other security drivers, and then 2 mats in the bottom. So that's the kit. I mean, it's no got front followers, it's no got pinning shoes, but for €half, mortise cylinders, rim cylinders, cores out of Americans and stuff, it's going to cover it, and that's what this kit was for, just to throw in a pack. Obviously it's no got a full pinning kit, it's no got the stuff that I mentioned, but it does what I need it to do, so that's it. Pocket pinning kit, well, pocket gutting kit, but yeah. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you've got any comments or suggestions, leave them below. Also, if you've put any kits together for anything lock sport or lock picking related, leave them below, I'd like to see them. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications if you want to catch the rest of the videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.